The Symphony of Neurons, or How Five Warriors Saved Emperor Brain. At that very moment when stress crashed upon the kingdom of the nervous system like a false chord in life's grand symphony, attention scattered into dust, memory plunged into the abyss of oblivion, and decisions became impossible, as if the orchestra's conductor had suddenly gone blind. Cortisol, the merciless hormone of tyranny, flooded every cell, every neuron of Emperor Brain's palace, and it seemed there would be no salvation. But within this tragedy existed hope. Biochemical, scientifically proven hope embodied in 5 mighty nutrient warriors. First appeared magnesium, the magnificent anti-stress mineral, clad in silvery armor of biochemical reactions. He entered Brain's palace not as a conqueror, but as a healer from ancient times. Magnesium knew the secret. Stress expels him from cells, and his absence generates even more cortisol. A vicious cycle he had to break. Research from 2024-2025 showed magnesium reduces cortisol levels by 30–40%, promotes muscle relaxation, restores sleep, and returns the ability to withstand daily psychological attacks. He blocked glutamate NMDA receptors in the hippocampus, that very region where memory is born, and activated calming GABA, like a conductor restoring harmony in a chaotic orchestra. Behind magnesium came 3 brothers, vitamins B1, B6, and B12, elite guardians of neurotransmitters, dressed in shining coenzyme mantles. They didn't merely support, they created the very life of synapses. B1, thiamine, formed new neural pathways and synthesized acetylcholine. B6, pyridoxine, produced serotonin, dopamine, norepinephrine, and GABA, those very chemical messengers of calmness and concentration. B12, cobalamin, protected myelin sheaths of nerves and ensured acetylcholine synthesis for long-term memory. Without them, neurotransmitters became chaotic switches. Too much excitation, too little peace. Scientific data from 2023-2025 proved these vitamins improve cognitive functions, restore attention, accelerate information processing, and protect against premature brain aging. The third warrior arrived, vitamin D, the solar warrior of mood, regulator of anxiety and depression. Its deficiency was linked to chronic stress, while its presence meant emotional stability and neuroprotection. He acted quietly but powerfully, influencing the very architecture of brain cells. Fourth came omega-3 fatty acids, DHA and EPA, golden threads from which neuron structure itself is woven. The brain consists of 60% fats, and most of that is DHA. Omega-3s nourished neuronal membranes, made them flexible and permeable to neurotransmitters, improved communication between brain cells, enhanced blood flow and oxygenation. Studies from 2022-2025 confirmed omega-3s improve memory, learning, executive functions, protect against neurodegeneration, and even slow cognitive aging. EPA fought inflammation and depression, while DHA built new neurons in the hippocampus, the factory of memories. Fifth came zinc and selenium, silent antioxidant knights protecting nervous tissue from oxidative damage during chronic stress. They neutralized free radicals spawned by excess cortisol and preserved neuronal integrity. Together, these 5 forces didn't just remove stress symptoms. They returned to the brain its rhythm, its ability to adapt, to keep life's tempo. Stress isn't an enemy. It's a trial requiring biochemical support. Vitamins and minerals don't eliminate stressful situations, but they return to the brain the possibility to keep rhythm and adapt, as Tolstoy would write about the human soul capable of enduring any storm if nourished by truth. Thus ended this epic battle in the kingdom of the nervous system. Emperor Brain could think, remember, feel again. The symphony of neurons sounded harmonious. If you loved this story and want more, comment yes, hit like, subscribe, share with friends, and don't miss the next inspiring story, Genius Secrets and Cutting Edge My Biohacking Secrets.